1. She bought a black dress and a red one. 2. I prefer red wine to white. 3. If you haven't got fresh milk, I'll take tinned. 4. The mountains of Greece are less thickly wooded than those of Britain. 5. The weather in Tokyo is milder than that in Sendai. The population of Osaka is larger than that of Shinano. The furniture in your house is more luxurious than that in my house. The wine in this bottle is sweeter than that in that one. A. Let's have a 15-minute break now. B. Let's have a 15 minutes break now. A women's college. A teacher's room. A boys' high school. I'm sorry that my best friend left me. I'm angry that she deceived my children. We were worried that the game might be put off. I was surprised that he got angry over such a trifle thing. Be sure of, be confident of, be convinced of, be aware of, be conscious of, be ignorant of, be afraid of, be anxious of, be hopeful of, be proud of. I'm sure that you will succeed. He was ignorant that he had deeply hurt her feelings. Judging from by the look of the sky, it's going to rain. Generally speaking, men are stronger than women. Strictly speaking, spiders are not insects. Roughly speaking, 1 mile is 1.6 kilometers. There were fine people, counting her. There were 4 people, not counting her. Looking back on those days, that was not the only example of my thoughtlessness. A. Eating a rice ball, he rushed out of the house. B. Having eaten a rice ball, he rushed out of the house. As I entered the room, they applauded is not equal to while I was entering. As the sun rose, the fog disappeared gradually. As it grew darker, it became colder. Equals the darker it grew, the colder it became. He came up as I was speaking. He trembled as he spoke. Just as he was making a speech, there was a loud explosion. As is often the case with him, Tom was not at home. Tom was late, as is often the case with him. As we have seen in previous chapters, visualization methods are varied. As might be expected of a father, he behaved before his son with courage. As might be expected of a gentleman, he was as good as his word. We had a pleasant time, except that the weather was cold. High income tax is not good in that it may discourage people from working harder. There is sound scientific evidence of what certain gases do to the environment. Your success will depend on whether you can stand your ground. They were quarreling as to which was stronger. We are anxious about how the results of this test could be misused.